Hello everyone, today I will teach you how to make the paper origami, and these are the realistic origami. Okay, let's do this. You need an paper, scratch, or whatever you have available at your home. But for me, I have some scratch papers and cardboards, so I will use this. Now it's my first realistic origami is to make an airplane. Okay, let's do this, guys. I hope we can make this an airplane effective. Airplane. Mm-hmm. Alright, you need to fold this. Then, like that, you need to fold again. Oh, i-fold-fold na ni Sidza. Nga na mo ng origami. Sige, fold-fold. Now, fold again. Nga na, mangkuoy. Ay, oh my God. And so, this is our airplane. See with a beautiful design. It will fly across distances. Okay, now we have this nice airplane. See, the design is here. Okay, post na. Next, you need another piece of paper. May maghimot ta og paper boat. Okay. So it's a realistic origami. Okay. You need to fold it half. Fold it half like that. And you need to fold from the center. Mm -hmm. Yan siya. So dapat sa tunga gid siya para na ay even distribution of the parts of the paper. Okay, then you need to fold it. Fold jud siya. Then okay, you need to fold. Then you need to open this like that. Then fold again properly. Yung mo na siyang i-fold. Then you need to fold again. Fold lang kita ni guys. Mani ato ang rules sa kinabuhi mag-fold. Then itong i-fold. And after that, then after mag-fold, you will have your own boat. Okay? Surprise! Ta-dan! Yes, you have your own boat now. And see, it will float like this. I made already here, so we can play. Now I will teach you how to make a rose. Okay, you need a square size of paper. Actually, this is a scratch paper, so we need to utilize everything. Our resources, we need to be resourceful so that we can take care of the environment. No, by recycling paper. So, you know, grabe ang init sa panahon karon, di ba? It's because we abusing our home, our common home. Someone is just need to fold it, diba? Square, from square like this before, no? Ato siyang na ingon ani. You see? Ana ha? From like this, we need to meet this at the center. Itungod ni sila ana. Ana na. Then, ana. It will be triangular form mahimo. Then, so human ani from this form ato niya siyang i-fold kaniya mga arms pataas. So ato niya siyang i-fold pa ganyan ana. Fold, then fold. So meron siyang na form ingon ani no. Now again other side i-fold na fold. Other side fold. Mamarin siya. Origami is a folding of paper, creating an objects, realistic objects. So muna ni sida next. Next ani see more na siya og square or diamond. So para di ta masayop kaning mga ma-open kani si za mag-uban na sila. We will close that one no mangana si za. So mo na po siya i-fold na po. Fold. So nga ni pagka-fold nganin from like that. Also sayang kaatbang. Oh, masayot ko. Yan din. So, kisa pa nag-fiesta diha, pang-invite na. Kay gutom. So, other side na pod ang i-fold. So, mayroon ani na siya og forma. See? Then karon ang imong buhaton ani niya, isuksok no, insert the other part to its opposite side. O kani isuksok ni siya ana. Suksok na siya para mulaklak gamay ang mga petals na sa rose. Then kanipod siya ana. Okay. Now nga nasuksok na siya, see, nga na siya forma. Makita ka na siya buho diri sa ubos. There's a hole beneath this object, no? Nasa bottom part. So we will blow this one. Controlling both sides kani sila para dili ma-open. Now, as you can see, mura siya kuan kanang actually rose man siya pero makinugdom ko na siya object nga na siya resemblance kakaabantay mo nasa dagat mura siya og kanang bituon no, and this is the other part of the paper, no, ato siyang isok-sok dinhi ana sa bottom part. So itong buhaton is to open the petals. So i-open ang petals ano need siya na i-open. See, the petals now is visible. Bloom na gid siya. Ang uban diha dili pa wa pa ning bloom. Di pa blooming. Haggard pa. See? Now, we create already our rose. And before, I created already. So, one ni sila rose. We have barko-barko or the ship. And we have here the airplane. So, one guys, thank you for watching. And the next video I will make is the other one, the part 2, the modular origami, no? And these are the realistic origami. I will make next the modular origami. So in making our modular origami, we need strips of paper, colored paper, any scratch paper, or you can buy construction paper. So ako nipalit ko because we will make a modular origami out of rose ng mga shapes or kanang mga kuan hexagon na shape. To make one of the modular na kuan kanang design, we need this strip, no? Then we'll find the half of this then ato siyang i-open nato siya paingon ana mura siya kuan ni V victory or V shape. Then the other part mo siyang ingana see, itabid-tambid na sila, tambid-tambid ana, open close ana ra iyang bisyo ani, open close then kuan ana ni sidya nice po ni sidya kanang imo pang design, no, pang design sa imong wall or imong ibutang sa imong kanang balay nga na small artworks niya kuan nga na, no. Now we are going to make this more, no, dagano na to gimo to make another design. Ayun na siya. Now we make more of it here. So mo na ni siya mga hexagonal design. So ato ni siyang connect to each other. You can create like for your decorations sa imong balay, mga birthdays or gifts. or whatever nga purpose imong himuon, pwede siya. To connect this, no, you need glue para di na matangtang. Ipapilit siya with glue. Yan na. Then i-insert nimo ang other side para di na sila yan. So ano siya, pwede sila magtangtang. So glue another. Okay, then this is the one we make. Naman itong game mo nga modular. So after that, ato na siyang i-lock, atong i-insert here, then anang kuan, no, to make it more kuan, ato i-glue para di matangtang. Para kusog sa hang kapit, or pwede po di staple, pwede pa di stapler, pwede ra. Now you have your beautiful crown, or can make a bracelet. So ano siya, a beautiful bracelet with a wonderful design of flowers or the hexagonal. So thank you for watching, and I hope that you learned something from making and folding paper, so we can make our planes, flowers, or a ship, and of course a beautiful bracelet, or you can make a bigger one. You can a beautiful tiara for your daughter and for everyone, for your guests and everyone in your family. Thank you, and I hope you enjoy and learn something what I have done.